In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp as a CRM so you can track leads, manage clients, and organize your sales process in one place. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. This is your main dashboard where everything lives, and it's where you'll build your CRM system from scratch. Next, create a new space dedicated to your CRM. This helps you keep all your client information and sales activities separate from your other work, making everything easier to manage. Once your space is ready, click on Use Template. Instead of building everything manually, templates give you a ready-made structure to work with. In the search bar, type CRM and look for a template like Sales CRM. Select it and click Use Template to apply it to your space. ClickUp will automatically create a structured setup with lists for contacts, deals, and activities. This gives you a complete system to start managing your leads and clients right away. Now, you can begin adding your data. Enter your contacts, track deals, and update statuses as your sales process moves forward. As you use your CRM, you can customize it by adding custom fields, updating stages, or setting up automations to handle repetitive tasks. Take a moment to organize everything so it's clear and easy to follow. A clean setup makes it much easier to track progress and stay consistent. And that's it. You've turned ClickUp into a simple and powerful CRM, helping you manage relationships, track sales, and stay fully organized in one place.